promise people like your Andrew Oldness. And peer promise you promise people like your blood clot Andrew Oldness. I'm gonna come up and come tell me what happening, my love. Oh. You walk out, you tell me say you buy the sheet, my love. And you buy the sheet and it's something. At the same time when you come off, you no buy no blood clot sheet. It's a prank you give me. Look here, one yeah. I go lift up boy, yeah. Too terrible, man. Like a good name, yeah, good look. When time you something a good name, when I look. Listen. I never hate her. But I truly love her. I never hate her. Ivan have no clout. So when people talk about I'm looking clout after Ivan, where's the clout it? Ivan ya clone himself. Where is the clout? No, me tell her something. I can't love her after she report my paper. You see guy report. You see guy report my paper. You see guy report me to my blood. The girl report paper to me. You know see? You know see the girl report. Let's see girl report my paper. Report back to PayPal. Say me a scammer. And me a robber. See the money what she sent to me. And the girl report back to PayPal. You blind? You see girl report back to PayPal. I make PayPal all my money. Make PayPal all my money. The girl make PayPal all my money. The girl report me to PayPal. The girl report me to PayPal. When should I call LP workplace? Anybody able to tell us if it stop now? Cause it was too annoying. Cause it's scary. Remember I know I live in Switzerland, police can come and come lock me up. Because when the police when them call, hello, I want to make a report on Shaquin Thomas, Destiny Charles Thomas, who live in Switzerland, Zurich, Strasse 5482 from Jamaica. And when the police go back to them and say, oh, Destiny, yes, I find her. Destiny is 24 years old, live in Switzerland 4 years, receiving asylum, waiting on her citizen. Destiny is the biggest cause in Switzerland. That's the only blood clotting them I go see in the blood clot system. Me are the big, nothing more. That are the only thing them I go see in Switzerland. I am the biggest. You're not seeing anything more. Ivan me attack report my PayPal. But let me tell you something. Evil against evil, bitch. You think, let me tell you something. Lady P no know yet. Lady P I eat that, you know. Remember, me can dig up information. Remember, me can dig up details. Remember, me have police friend from police friend. Oh, yes. Policeman from policeman. Oh, yes. Remember now? So, me make you know, say. Remember, you said to me, you know, on the live, Destiny here is not a good friend. You know what the girl said to me, say? The girl said, me are no good friend. Because me no want help her to find our address. Oh, we did too enough. Oh, we never forget the address. You need God? No. Your mama pussy need God to push out that dirty animal like you. Me say, you want your mother pussy need a consecrated olive oil. Dash all a bucket of consecrated olive oil in there. No, you're not your mother. Your pussy need a consecrated olive oil because you're salt. Or a blood clot, 2 lime and blue. She said, me is not a good friend. She report me PayPal, you know. She report me PayPal. Okay, no problem. And let me tell you something. You think you can take on my page? People don't follow my page because I go private my page. So don't follow my page, I go private it, blood clot. I go private if it's true. Because then so when you private it, then can't record. Then so when you private it, can't report me love. So I go private my blood clot page, my love. So don't follow my blood clot page because it's gonna private. Listen what happened now. Taya, give her information. How to find Owie. What the page name? White page. It seems like it's private. You know private yet. Me soon private. Why make you say it seems like it's private? Sometimes when they type in the name, they can't find it. You know private. Call me do it, so you don't private. I go private it. No, don't private it. You can't tell me that. Hi baby, what's up? You good? I'm gonna private it. You don't tell me that. So all who when they on the For You page or watch me, when they follow me, then can't see me live. I gonna private. Taya, give her information how to find Owie. Taya, give her information how to find Owie, you know. Taya giving her information how to find Owie. She now calls Taya. You know what she said on the live? She said me I'm wicked because I don't want to give her any information how to find her man. And I can do it. Me text her, alright, me soon look on that. Me can't look on your text right now, baby. Because I have to talk about this. Because the girl report my PayPal and make me Monday by all. Okay. We're up on the live today. Me up on the live. Good. Everybody text me. Look here, me now look on none of text. Me hear me say me busy. On the deaf? Me now look on no bumbuckler message me busy. That me say. As one I send message, one I tell me send text. Me busy. Bumbuckler. Let's so. Are we black on it now? Alright. Look here. No. She rate Taya. Taya rate her. Taya kiss her ass. You know why she love Taya rate Taya? Taya boots her up and tell her to do the things them. I mean do me here. I mean do it last night. Taya boots her and tell her to do the things them. So that is the reason why she insists with Taya. But when she want me to give her, she want me to tell herself go fight, go stab up. You know what? You Taya say for my life. Taya say, if Ivan if he beat up him baby father. So me say what if they stab up Ivan? She said that is between Ivan and the man. Then Taya, you're not a good friend either. You're wicked to blood clot Ivan. It one who wicked too. It one who hypocrite too. Cause oh yeah go say Taya, man. So yeah tell me say Ivan if you go beat up with him big belly. You're too blood clot wicked to Taya. You're too blood, I don't care if you want, you're too wicked too. You're too blood clot wicked Taya. And why do you move your blood clot and where you're wicked to after you're special? You're wicked blood clot dirty girl to Taya. Because you are go blood clot tell me say you get Ivan every blood clot information off if and blood clot. Oh we. Taya can't tell Ivan the truth because she afraid of blood clot Ivan. Remember Ivan you build your out your Taya. Kind of views and followers now walk back at you blood clot Taya. And me blood clot is that me talk to you Taya. We live in a country called man ugly in a blood clot. You man ugly. And you me a blood clot talk to wicked Taya. Cause you can't blood clot tell Ivan the truth. All me say to Ivan, we dey pan the life good. Me not trouble her. We dey pan the life good. When Ivan took up the knife, go and stab up people, I said, Jesus, people, my heart start beat. I said, Father God, cover her. Guide her, Jesus. Please protect her. So I just start praying in my mind. I just start praying. And Taya tell her, don't go. She will stay home and rest too. Just like how me tell her to stay home and rest. Taya tell her to stay home and rest, the baby. Just like how me tell her to rest. Right? If you don't like what I said, Ivan, I have 3 Ivan number. Ivan could have take up her phone and call me and said, Destiny, I don't like what you did. What you did is very disrespectful and I don't like it. Maybe that come out and say, guys, I'm going to apologize to this. You could have come out and say you don't like it. Okay, done. Ivan right on her post. You're too blood clot fake. You're too fake, you're too this, you're too that. People, me swear on my life. I don't know, man. Nobody believe me, man. Me don't want nobody believe me. I don't answer her. When she write on her post, me no answer, guys. I never did. I close my mouth. I close my mouth. Me never answer. When she go up on, when she don't match up with man, she go up on the live, me still no answer. One time I say, Taya, please, me did mute all along. I say, Taya, please, see if we get to her. Me call her, me no get to her. Me call Owie, me no get to Owie, because me want to have something wrong with her. Me text Owie, me no get to Owie, because me want to have something wrong with her. Right? People, she go up on her live, when she don't match up with man, she talk and she cuss. And she a class me on her live. You know, say after the live, the girl call me. I tell the people, I say, call me, come on my live. And I say, no, it not work, so. I'm tired now. After you do me so, and you call me back to come add me for your life. So I dip up underneath her blood clot. Can't do me that. I expect say you call me back. Me a human being. And tired hypocrite. Because why tire no blood clot? Why blood clot tire no tell you say? You tire say she tired of you. Taya says she tired of blood clot, yo. Taya call me every day. Taya call me every day and say she tired of you. Taya says she tired of blood clot, yo. She tired of you. Cause your blood clot stress her. See every day Taya call me, yeah? Every day she blood clot call me. Every day she come on you. Every day blood clot Taya call me. Hey man, go suck your mother where you send me request for thinking, man. Me no lock up my request. See every day Taya call me. Every day me call. So me send Taya there.
I think you have to call the hospital in near her. She named Ivan, right? I'm more than one hospital today. So that she still won't call me. She said they might watch her. Me feel so good. Me just send her a voice message. Me feel so good. Better knowing that she's okay. You know what I mean? Feel better knowing that she's okay and the baby's alright.
I don't know why she is giving this bitch. I don't know why she's giving this bitch what she want. And the girl just say, you know, she don't know why Ivan give the bitch, you know. Tell every day you call me blood clot phone for Ivan, right? Every day you call on my phone. If anything on my blood clot phone. Taya, no, moderator, me block your dirty bomber clot off. I'm like, we're putting our puss. Moderator, me this, moderator, don't fuck with blood clot me. Don't fuck with me. If you don't want me here to not fuck with me, I'm out. Hey, I wish moderator pin that. Me black on now. I don't think I'm blood clotting. I wish moderator pin that. Come in, I want to joke on a blood clot over here, say, yeah? Me now want a blood clot joke on me talk about me more. Leave me alone here. All right. Me now want a blood clot joke with Uno. Okay. So you talk one phone call, say you're tired of Ivani. You say you're tired, you can't tell her what to do. You take her, you talk to her. You say you're tired. Blood clot. You say you're tired. Oh. The only blood clot somebody said they're not tired of mommy.